Okay, we're back at it again today looking at the S&P's top 10 list from the World Money Show we sent Brad to last week in Orlando. We covered the energy conference yesterday during lunch at the market, so we'll bring you 4 names on Friday to make up for it. We saw Brad at the energy conference today, so expect a lot to come out on the blog this weekend. Today we're looking at GNTX and IBM. We'll start with the easy one, IBM. We love Big Blue. They are the one company we can think of that started out making a huge name for itself in one thing, and now does something totally unrelated. Well, their advising services are in fact related, but giving advice versus selling computer hardware is quite a shift. Their enterprise services market is huge, and we have to say that between them, Cisco and HP, it's wrapped up. We had a conversation with Dell's Investor Relations Department at the World Money Show, and to be frank, their answer to not being in the space with the best margins was the Perot Systems acquisition. I have to say that was regarded as a bad deal, only outdone by the AOL-Time Warner merger. So don't go near Dell right now. They do not look very good. That said, we actually like both CSCO, that's Cisco's ticker symbol, and IBM. We sold out of HPQ just because we made a ton of money on it. And if HPQ gives you another shot below $47, you can take a shot at it there. Below $45, we think HP really is a buy for sure. We also like Cisco right now below $24, and we think CSCO is a buy. Now to the fundamentals on IBM. It trades at the 12 with an EPS of $10. That's not the right multiple for IBM. We think you could see it trade with a 14 or 15, so put a $140 to $150 price target on IBM. It has a dividend, so that's not great, but it's there. The forward PE is a 10, so really with $12 earnings, IBM could see $168, so buy IBM. Their margins are very solid mid-teens, or very solid mid-teens for both operating and profit. Really, operating margins are almost 20%. They are levered 1 to 2. They have a $2 of debt for each dollar of cash, but their cash is $13.97 billion. So we have no concern over paying the dividend or paying their bond and their other debt obligations. So take a look at IBM. On any pullback below $120 will be a gift for sure. By the way, the PEG is only 1.11. Really great growth in that number. Finally, Gentex Corp develops, manufactures, and markets electro-optic products, including the auto-dimming rear-view mirrors for the auto industry, fire protection products for commercial building industry. Their auto industry products include auto-dimming headlights for cars and an electronic compass that automatically changes to account for the Earth's magnetic field. Look, that's some smart stuff. Well, will this be the first day that we actually recommend both of the S&P's names? Let's take a look at the fundamentals. Forward PE is an 18. That's a cut in half from the 39 it trades with now, which implies a huge earnings growth going forward. PEG is only 1.1, less than IBM's, which suggests that growth really will come in the future. Margins are in the teens. We like to see that double-digit mark on the margin. With $353 million in cash and zero, yes, goose egg for debt, we think this company is a buy. It's a good, smart way to play the return of auto manufacturing. We think that if they're smart enough to invent things that take into account the Earth's magnetic field, they can probably innovate their way into the future. Quarterly revenue growth is up 45% year over year. That's not bad at all. So take a look at IBM, CSCO, and GNTX. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow as we bring you the remaining 4 names on the S&P Top 10 list from the World Money Show. The interview from yesterday's session with Aubrey McClendon from Chesapeake and Jim Rogers from Duke Energy is now available on the YouTube channel. We also have the snippet from the conference itself, and of course, all the past lunch at the market segments. Check back Monday for all the new updates to our YouTube channel and the blog as we get caught up from the conferences and get some great content for you there. We'll send out links when the content is ready, and you'll find a link to the blog and YouTube channel right on the homepage of www.magnumopusfinancial.com by looking for the MOF News Network right in the middle of the page and clicking on the blog or MOF TV button, depending on whether you want to read or watch. Different content is in each one, so get the whole story. You'll have to do both. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.